Grab rails and bars greatly improve safety for the elderly and are an essential tool for those with limited movement. Not only do they provide necessary support and stability, but they reduce any anxiety that comes with walking upstairs, using the bathroom, and other everyday activities. Grab rails can further assist in reducing fatigue, enabling users to get things done at their own pace. They are the ideal way to bring normality back to the lives of those who struggle with essential day-to-day activities. Our innovative team design and test all of our products, giving customers the highest quality of safer living. To view the range, go to equipsy.com.au.